Seen some wolf tracks and a lot of deer and elk. We're just getting ready to call it night, sit down and camp. And we spotted a black bear down here. Got about an hour and a half of daylight left, so we're busting down here. See if we can get on them.
Well, thought I hit it, and running down the hill. I tried shooting a few more times, and then missed. And we got back and reviewed the footage, and it looks like I shot just right to the right of them, so I screwed up. It was only 230 yards, so I almost got excited and jerked the trigger. It was fun, so a few more days, see if we can find something else. Alright, we missed that bear last night, and then went a long hike back to camp up at 10:30. This morning, we looked up top, got a little video of about 6 to 8 inches of snow on us. The weather kind of cleared up a little bit. Took out the hunt, all this popped over the hill. Our sleeping bags got soaked last night, so we're about 7-8 miles from the truck right now. We think we're going to head back and try and find some bears down a little lower, try and get out of all this weather. It would be really, really bad to get stuck up here in a bad storm, so super steep, everything's already getting really slick, so we're going to call this a backcountry adventure to an end while the weather's still decent. But hopefully we find another bear in the next couple days, so keep hunting.